detailed rap track about recent news events. Here we go.
Turn up the volume, listen to the beat. World's going crazy, can't take the heat from screens to streets. News never stops, let's break it down from the bottom to top. Headlines screaming, world's in a spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Tech's advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction blurred before our eyes. 2024's burning hottest year on record. Wildfires rage in nature's discord. Amazon's ablaze, Arctic ice is melting. Climate's in the talk, but who's really helping? Economy's shaky, inflation's still high. Cost of living soaring, people ask why. Tech layoffs setting, but AI's taking flight. ChatGPT and Gemini changing wrong and right. Elections worldwide, democracy's test. Misinformation spreads, who'll come out best? Trump's legal battles, Biden's aging question. Voters divided on the nation's direction. Middle East tensions, ceasefires, fragile state. Humanitarian crisis, debates escalate. Ukraine still fighting, 2 years have passed. Global alliances shifting fast. Headlines screaming, world's in a spin. Climate's changing, where do we begin? Tech's advancing, AI's on the rise. Truth and fiction blurred before our eyes. Space race heats up, Mars in our sights. Private companies reaching new heights. Artemis program aiming for the moon. Will we see boots there maybe real soon? Pandemic shadow, new variants emerge. Healthcare systems pushed to the verge. Vaccines evolving, science marches on, but mistrust leaders, conspiracy spawn. So stay woke, keep your mind open wide. In the sea of info, learn to swim, not hide. World's complex, no easy solutions, but knowledge is power, spark a revolution. Stay informed, but don't let it break you. Together we'll shape the future, let's make it.